Welcome to Aptella Academy. In this video we'll be showing you how to utilize the tilt angle from a Hyper XR and utilize that when compensating for a total station measurement in hybrid mode for either topo or stakeout. From the main screen we'll go into survey and then topo. We are currently in the total station measurement mode by the total station icon up the top right. We need to ensure that our GPS is in tilt measurement mode. To do this, we'll go into the 3-bar icon up the top and we'll go into setup and then tilt settings. Once on the tilt settings screen, we need to ensure we want to show the E level and we are compensating for the pole tilt handling. Hit the green tick button to confirm. Once back on the topo screen, you may need to ensure that the GPS tilt is enabled and functioning. And to do this, we can switch to our GPS measure mode by going up to the top right and hitting the total station icon, which will then move us into GPS mode, and we can see the tilt values and the state is ready, and then we can hit the GPS icon to go back to our total station screen. We can then select the right code for the point we are observing and then store the point. In this example, once the user has stored the first point, you can see that they're leaning the pole over. Within a second, the total station reading is being compensated by the tilt of the GPS, and this will dramatically improve the speed of data collection via the total station in this topo mode without the user having to worry about the bubble of the pole and utilizing the tilt from the GPS. The tilt measurement can also be used for stakeout. If the user returns back to the home screen, they can go into stake and then points. They can select a point to stake out and then hit stake. And from the map screen, they can go into the 3-bar button, setup, and then tilt settings. And the user can ensure that the show E level and compensate are both enabled and hit the green tick button. And then any total station reading used to stake out with the tilt from the GPS will also be compensated for when staking out a point or a line. Thank you for watching.